can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ring something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top, I can't ever take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, long road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you know the way that I'm gon' keep on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my team, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame team. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, long road. Gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you know the way that I'm gon' keep on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Bueno, pues llegó la hora chingüengüenchona, la hora cuchicuchi, la hora ponte que ahí te voy. Así es como queda finalmente el tarro terminado, con su acabado, con su pirograbado y todo lo demás. Su sellado, obviamente. Y para probarlo, qué mejor un hidromiel de la marca Drengar, que yo la elaboro. Así que, pues, skål. Y ya saben que para ventas se pueden comunicar conmigo al 22 11 81 33 66 en la ciudad de Puebla, y mando a cualquier parte del mundo. Si quieren ver más videos como este, denle like para que pueda generar más contenido y el algoritmo de YouTube me trate mejor. Así que ya lo saben, no se lo olviden dar like. Denle hypear y con eso me van a ayudar muchísimo para que el canal crezca y lleguemos a la meta. Ayúdenme a llegar a la meta de 4000 horas reproducidas y 1000 suscriptores. ¡Skål! Excelente.